The Fancy Cat Show.
A few moments later.
Run, pussy! Run! Run! Act like your body. Run him down. Oh.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Hey, just act like your body. All right. Run!
2,000 years later.
The mark up box, so you turn that from that me no see.
Hey boy, a 50-69 clip. Run!
Sonny plan rough like the industry, you scab back and bend.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox.
I don't know Media Fox, you know. So people, I pull up a clip, recent clip with the fix them I talk about the Masicka thing and yo, dog, me don't know where yo, you see the girl where you see over to the left, we sit down with the water buckle on the chair there, so he's a Masicka fan that, you know. You understand? And the bread Rasta bread over the right now. Him kinda rate Masicka too, you see me? You don't know Portmore one link. See, now you don't know Harry, a Gaza. You see me? And Nightly, when him name Naro, you don't know him a Gaza, man. You see me? Yeah. But the girl over to the left with the water buckle on the chair under there, so she's a more like a Masicka fan. But she and Harry I go at it because she a rep for Masicka and Harry a rep for Gaza. So we're gonna play the clip and make you see what I go on cause I be your feelings. Yo, I tell you. So Harry in her feelings and the girl in her feelings. You see me? But listen what I go on.
And facts it. You said facts or facts, straight facts. Yeah, I think so. I believe so too. Masicka been doing good over the years. Two great body of work. Back to back hit songs. So I think because I said body of work. So two albums, 438 Generation of Kings.
Okay.
You consider the girl album or mixed well, but just not about the two major ones. But I think deserve Grammy nominations. They were really good. Especially.
Yo, you know what this? So she said the two albums deserve Grammy nomination. Fine, but you can say she kind of in her feelings because through Vice Cartel get nominated for theme album for Grammy. Seeing, but I always hear a narrative. The only thing me hear them talk about this album thing. That's all them can talk about with Masicka. You understand? But people, I have to show you say, oh, them people here, I don't know what kind of world them in. Because look here, see, Ari a while ago, I asked her, what about the girl album? Here, no? No, man, I not talk about that. I talk about the two. This is what I realize. You see, when Masicka drop a song, and it don't hit, them don't want to hear about it. Right? Remember, you know, this project EP of a Def Jam and him alone depend on one, I think I like 6 track or something like so. But it show you say all of the little facade and all of them little thing. It show him always if Masicka do a soul album, you know that's the true potential. Because the two album them him do, him get a little help in it. Seeing? Him do a girl album EP, nobody no pay that no man. She don't even want to hear about it. That's why Harry, she pull it up and I say, yo, warm to the EP, the girl here, no man, me no want that, me not talk about that, me talk about the two major piece for sure you people. You say if the EP did go on with that thing and big numbers, should have add it in. But look here now, since the matter, come more while, it's because you know Media Fox here. So look here now, seeing people, I want to look on this, cause I think it's some joke thing. So look here now, cause 438, it dropped in 2021, right? But me a refresh and me a say, yeah, great body of work. But how many songs Masicka perform out of this album? You understand? Cause me see a lot of Masicka perform and me listen to the song them when perform. Because look, the only songs them when me see Masicka really perform, right? Me I go show you. Seeing? I go show you what I go on, people. You see that song there? Moments with Steph London. That, see, you can see other is a project them. When that and I think They Don't Know. Those are the 438 album. Those are the two songs alone me hear him perform. Two. You understand? Me don't know about the others I sang them. But the way how them talk about this album thing, right? When a two song alone, with Steph London and the They Don't Know were dropped years before the album, right? So look here now. You have song like, I'll show you now. You have song like Ultimate. Me not too hear that. Imam Popcorn Pain. Me not too hear that. Suicide Note. I can't tell when last me perform that. See? Alright. Toxic World. Me not hear him perform that. Love Story. Me not hear him perform that. Moments with Steph London. Yeah, him put that in there. See? Masicka Highlights. Me not hear him say that. Him and Sean Paul. Me not hear him sing that. This hour. Statue. Or Stature or something like so. Me not hear him sing that. Masicka King. Me not hear him sing that. Him and Dexter Dap. This so. This another one where him sing about blessing. Another one there. One different one this. Him not perform that. Masicka Contract Killer. Me not hear him perform that. Him and Shane Skull. Me not hear him perform that. Heart Cry. Me not hear him perform that. Because them talk about the album, but me say, brother, all of them song, where them then now in a 2026? That more I know. Is he still performing these songs? Right? Masicka Story, him not perform that. Me not 2 years him perform that, right? They don't know, him perform that one day. Seen? Alright. This are the next one now. This are the GOK, right? Alright, Black Sheep. Him not too perform that one day. Seen? Imam Popcorn, Star for Us. Yeah, sometime him perform that. Seen? Alright. Reverse Time. Me not too hear him perform that song there. You know the song them when really perform, the song them when just drop. Like, you see, each time him drop the song them for the year, those are the song mostly him really perform. And some out of this. Seen? Alright, Masicka March. Him not too perform that. Come watch a lot, watch him performance them, you know. Seen? A good artist. But we have to correct the narrative. Alright. Masicka and Chronic Law. Me not too see him perform that. Masicka Angel. Don't Cry. Him not too perform that. Moments. Most Wanted. Him perform that. Seen? Him and Spice. Wow. Him not too perform that. Fight for Us. Him perform that sometime. Seen? Tyrant. Him perform that. Masicka District. Him not too perform that. Masicka Carbon. Him not too perform that. Masicka Limelight. That time entrance song. That are the song when him just go up on the stage. You read him start play. Yeah. Him start off with that. Masicka Rainfall. Him not too perform that. Broken Home. Him not too perform that. Friday. Him not too perform that. Seen? And these are the songs. None of them songs are not it. Seen? In the album. None of them not it. And that's why him don't perform them. You understand? Me can tell you. Because I see him performance them. That's why something what happen in the media. Me know them a long time. Long time. See? Alright, now we'll go back to the video now, you know, people. Because I want to know hear what I want, you know.
Facts it. You said facts, sir. Facts, straight facts. Yeah, I think so. I believe so too. Masicka been doing good over the years. 2 great body of work. Back-to-back hit songs. So I think because I said body of work.
Okay,
so 2 albums, 438 Generation of Kings.
Okay.
One to the EP where him drop. But them I got announce that still. And hear what she go say.
Consider the girl album or mix. Well,
but just let's talk about the 2 major ones that I think deserve Grammy nominations. They were really good. Especially Generation of Kings. I think that was my favorite one out of both of them. So yeah, Masicka been doing good in the game and Mortimer as well. So I don't think he misspoke. Yeah. Jeezy.
I think so.
People, I want to hear what a Rasta brother say, because I don't know where this brother you live. I want to know listen.
Definitely in the room for talk about, to say, yo, Masicka.
Yeah.
Next generation, or this generation, you know, car. I know we are talking, but it's a new generation. And I think it is a good speech when you make, say, Masicka. Or to everybody else, who will you give it then? If not, a Masicka. Masicka, like you said, body of work, consistency, and my years now behind it. I mean, I do it, and proving, say, him tough, a bad artist. You understand? And if him a claim to be king, it can be given to him. But can I see him get crowned? 5 years from now.
Yo, bro, I say the more them people you talk, them not even know say, bro, now set up Masicka career in a dog. The pedestal when I put the man when him not reach it, brother. The man say in the next 5 years. Bro, the next 5 years are there around the corner, you know, brother. You understand? Him there around the corner. Because yeah, Masicka have some song, but this is the problem now, people. Seeing? How can a youth be so long of consistency, right? But we can't see the impact of the hit songs. Last year, them say him get 20 hit song. Them say the EP hit. All I sang them when him drop last year, them say it. But how can Masicka can pull that major crowd? For a man, we get so many hit songs. Why him the man have all the headline shows? Right? Him have to work alongside. See, him have to work with a bunch of artists. Brother, where is the impact? For a man, we have dropped so much hits. Bro, the man they should have pull out some 15,000 people, brother. Some 15,000 crowd, some big crowd. We supposed to see that because your catalog make you can happen. Same like how you can have Vice Cartel a pull crowd, Alkaline a pull crowd, Idonia pull them crowd, Popcorn a pull them crowd. Why we not see Masicka do that? I want to say him consistent for so much years. Me not understand.
That's the thing, that's the thing because we don't know say Masicka that hear this and feel insulted.
Because he thinks he's supposed to be no.
Yes.
I mean,
is that something that is so far?
Yo, people, Ari not like hear this, you know. But look, she go up an event there.
Fetch to think because according to Masicka, he's not the future, he's the now. Me are the goat, me are the king, me are the past, present, and future.
Ooh.
All at the same time.
I feel like you're putting too much on
Yo, Arena feeling she no want to hear that, you know. Because Cartel are artists, you have to watch how you say the goat and the this, you know. Yeah, man.
That's so. He might call himself the goat, you know. He might say he's the king of dancehall right now. Hey, he look like him dep on some Bret Hart shit right now. The best there was, the best there is, and the best there ever will be. Look like that him dep on right now. You see me? So that's the thing. That's how him been you see me?
Just
Put
to
it
feel
out
like,
there.
just to feel like them are going to crown him yet, though. You understand? So when we say 5 years from now, we feel like by 5 years' time, then we admit it then and say, yo, by them time, they actually give him the crown and say, yo, are you now?
People, I don't know. Oh, people in a comment, tell me. Masicka get the crown in the next 5 years. Tell me in a comment, because I don't even answer them madness. I want to answer in the comment. See? Uno answer in the comment. Masicka, uno see Masicka in the next 5 years I get the crown? Because I don't know. Them man, yo, dog, like they say, dance all a drama.
I know to add to that to Jeezy because I don't feel like he needs to wait for a crown because when Cartel did around the scene in our time, we are say him a the king, but he wasn't officially crowned the king. We are say Cartel a king long time. So even now, if Masicka believes that he's the goat or the king, just make your work speak for itself and nobody can deny that.
Right, well, I mean...
So, basically, you're a Croc fan, but you said that a while ago with the king thing. Do you in yourself feel like him put in the work for reach that to the limit there? Or does that more know? Because the only thing we can talk about a consistency, hits and 2 albums, which that can be debatable. You understand? Because the song them wanna call it, I don't know if it's hits or hot songs. Because when him go in the world for perform these songs, it's a different crowd reaction. And that's a problem.
I mean, what Buju Banton, everybody agrees that
Everybody,
Masicka
nobody would disagree with that
is
statement.
like, yeah, but that's the crazy point that you kind of bring up, which is mind-boggling to me.
So,
that
which
he
may
would
be
take
legitimate,
offense
though.
with it, right? But
Yo, look at now. This gonna be a ranting people. Ari, I go rant now because she can't take it no more.
I just think that, I mean, you see, this is where the titles come in, and as I mean, I don't mean anything. And I feel like to get bogged down in the title is when the insecurity comes in, because I do feel like Masicka is a great artist now, and him set himself up to be a column in the dancehall forevermore. You know, and to be wanting to be like, to be compared with Cartel, I feel like you do yourself a disservice there, and I think that is the overall crux or the foundation.
People, pressure raise, you know. Pressure raise, the feelings are go high up. 100 degrees.
The underlying issue, like why you want to compare yourself to Cartel, or why you want to be like that, and
Why wouldn't you?
Well, you can, but you have to understand and appreciate that. Well, yes, you can. You want to be compared to the greatest, but you have to appreciate. So, well, the level of work and the level of work that Cartel put in, you don't put in. And the thing is, Cartel cleared a way for you. You know, it's so crazy. Like Cartel laid a path for you to walk that you're walking in now. So it's such a weird thing to kind of argue, because it's like we feel like we're arguing, we're saying the same thing, but probably different ways, or people interpret it so differently, which is beyond me. But Masicka is great. Masicka is the future.
People, the Crux fans so answer now, the girl over the left. Just listen how she got answer that.
You're right. Like Masicka is good now because he's among the talks now. But of course, he's setting himself up to be a great column in this whole industry. Like people are gonna be comparing themselves to him in the future. And I mean, so weird. Like I don't even know.
That he might do right now.
It's so weird.
Who want it to know? Who want the title?
Yeah.
I think that's what I said to him last week. Say, I feel like he's in his Lil Wayne era in which he's making the claim now, but it's up to him to actually prove it. Go on a run where without a doubt people say, yeah man, you either the conversation for real. You know what I mean? As in goat. Remember I said that him a claim no work as a bag of problem them. You see me? As in king of dancehall. Even though that is an offense to a lesser degree to some people out there not saying this to me. Remember I said I don't care about these things. Right? What makes this thing really weird to you as you talk about weird is that the same year, the same event that Cartel got crowned king is where you're claiming king. You're claiming good. And that's weird to you. No, but him further on claim it. Him further on claim it and say.
People, this is when the pressure is. The emotion just flick gone in him now, you know. You understand? So him a rant, be tell about them, man.
Yes, I agree. It kind of make it even weirder in a sense. And to make it even weirder, just this year did I compliment the man in an interview.
Crux fan I go kick in, you know. You got hear her.
And all these things.
It's
weird.
just for the war, guys.
It's just for the war, what they planned and put together.
Don't put it in the work. You have to know, get the people going. So that's what he did. You have to do something else, like go to the next level. What am I going to do? Compare myself to Cartel, call myself king. Yeah.
Look what Aria got do now. She want to change the topic, because she don't like it.
Well, big up Mortimer too, because Mortimer was also part. You know, this like reggae artists is like a whole different thing. They don't really worry about these titles and things.
Yeah, Rasta man did him want to say something, but him see what go on, You see me, him see the back and forth and him realize, say, look here, that girl I rate Masicka over here, so, but you don't know, say, Harry them with the Gaza thing, you see me? But I saw you go, people. Just one of them things they don't know one media facts, Yeah, man, that is it.